When was the last time you saw a dentist who saw you as more than a set of teeth, who really cared about you, not just as a patient, but as a member of the family? That's the experience you'll enjoy at Smiles on Broadway. Your first visit will be the start of a warm, personal relationship with Dr. Stephen Katz.
I think a new patient to our office encounters an experience very different from what they have ever experienced before or will ever experience in another professional office. We don't like to treat patients or guests who are new to our practice the way that most offices will. We like to think of them as a guest in our home, and we treat them as if they were a guest in our home. I don't think you're ever going to find a place where people are more caring and truly care about the patients, not just from the dental standpoint, but from a personal standpoint, an emotional standpoint, and I think that's felt by the patients as well.
Smiles on Broadway offers a comprehensive range of services for the whole family, including pediatric dentistry. Their special focus is on cosmetic and restorative dentistry, from simple teeth whitening to full mouth reconstruction, including oral surgery.
I went on to become a master in the Academy of General Dentistry, which is the highest classification that academy gives to general dentists, and that signifies a significant amount of training in each of the specialties.
For a completely anxiety-free experience, Smiles on Broadway offers the option of sedation dentistry. To ensure consistently outstanding results as well as a pleasant experience, Smiles on Broadway is equipped with the most advanced dental technology available.
I have always had the philosophy that as developments occur, they're here to make our level of care better. Some of the technology that we are particularly proud of in our office is the Velscope, which allows us to detect oral cancer at an earlier stage if it does exist. We take pride in that we were one of the very first offices in the country to use the iTero digital impressioning system, which adds much more precision to the practice of making prostheses, whether it be crowns or bridges. We now use it with implant work.
At Smiles on Broadway, you'll also enjoy the support of an exceptionally caring and competent staff.
We know that most people don't want to come to the dentist, so we really try and make it our goal to have them come here and make it a very pleasant experience for them from the moment they walk in the door. Not just being in the treatment room with the doctors, it's also being welcomed into our office, making them feel like they're a part of our family.
Changing lives, one smile at a time. From the very beginning, that's been the mission of Smiles on Broadway.
I think the most satisfying aspect of our practice is that we truly can make a difference in people's lives. Whether it's a level of confidence in dealing with family and friends and a social level, whether it's the ability to have a greater self-esteem and present themselves better at work, whether it's the ability to not have their concentration broken by being in constant pain so they function at a higher level at work, or they don't lose their patience when they're working with their children doing their homework. All of these things that are things that improve their life. And it's a pleasure to be in a situation where we can make a difference in their lives like that.